Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with Ben Bucknell from On-Market BookBuilds. Thank you very much for joining me.
Pleasure, Emily.
So, what are you looking to get out of this visit?
Well, apart from an obvious victory for the Wallabies in the World Cup, we'd like to see, to understand better what it is that investors are looking for and companies are looking for and market participants are looking for over here. So the process that we've run in Australia was a very long process of understanding the needs of those market participants. And while there's nuances and differences between those markets, we want to understand those better, so to make sure our infrastructure is optimised for the UK market.
Is the UK attractive to you as a place of business, and if so, what aspects are appealing?
Well, the UK is obviously one of the global capitals of finance in the world, so from that aspect it's going to be attractive to any FinTech company. But particularly there's been a strong recognition in the UK, in fact an enshrined part of UK company law is to have a preemptive right regime. So shareholder rights have always been strongly represented in the law here. On the other hand, that enshrinement of shareholder rights has meant it's sometimes more difficult for companies to raise capital quickly and efficiently. We want to bring together those two processes and optimise both the raising of capital quickly and efficiently while also preserving the preemptive right regime. So from that perspective, we think there's a lot that we can bring to the UK, but there's also a global centre of finance here, so that's very attractive to us.
So based on your experiences in Australia, what's important when it comes to fostering FinTech innovation?
I think that's a really difficult question. Obviously, London is proclaiming to the world that it wants to be a FinTech capital. And I think that there's a huge number of initiatives that have been going on, but I think most importantly it's about culture. Now, disruption's happening, change is going to happen. I think that it's all about whether the incumbents in a country or a capital market are willing to embrace change. And there will be losers in that process. I think those will be the laggards, and I think there'll be winners and they'll be the early adopters. So it's really about the incumbency, understanding the fabric of the city and understanding whether there's a willingness to accept that change is inevitable and disruption is an inevitable and positive part of business.
Ben, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
And thank you for watching.